Let's move on now and get you the other big story. Ladies and gentlemen, in Hyderabad, where do we start? His name is Allu Arjun, and the movie that he has acted in, Pushpa 2, is breaking all records. In fact, it's right now, as we see it, the third highest grosser ever in India, with over 1,400 crore in collection. He was arrested by the police and blamed for the stampede. And now he's the victim of a political attack in Hyderabad as Congress vandals attack his residence. People with open Congress links who are Congress cardholders, Congress leaders, they are attacking him. There was an attack on his residence. He was later released on bail. But look at this. The police is not going to let go of him. They now want to approach the Supreme Court. Hyderabad police is likely to approach the Supreme Court over the cancellation. They want the interim bail petition of Allu Arjun cancelled. This is proof of the kind of attack that he is now facing from the state of Telangana. That's the view. That is what people are taking away from this episode. Aneri, has this been confirmed? We are hearing that it's likely. But if they're going to do it, if they're going to the Supreme Court, there is no proof that, no bigger proof rather, that the state is putting its might behind targeting Allu Arjun.
Well, Niranjan, sources have said that the Hyderabad City Police is likely to approach Supreme Court. Well, earlier also there was this talk which had come up in the Hyderabad City Police when we happened to speak. Earlier also the Hyderabad City Police officials were supposed to approach the High Court over the cancellation of petition. But now sources have said that they are likely to approach Supreme Court over the cancellation of the interim bail of Allu Arjun. Remember, Allu Arjun, who was arrested and later granted bail for 4 weeks. He was granted 4 weeks of interim bail by the Telangana High Court. But now what we are being told through our sources is that Hyderabad City Police is likely to approach Supreme Court over this issue and basically over the cancellation of the interim bail. We'll have to see how it turns out to be. But as of now, also what we are being told is that the legal team of Allu Arjun has arrived at his residence. They are holding a meeting as to basically what would be the next step that would be taken up by Allu Arjun's team. Also remains to be seen in this matter, Niranjan.
Okay, stay with me. I have the next bit of breaking news update coming in. There were videos that the police released as well. Let me get you the next big breaking update on this. Is exclusive on Congress versus Allu Arjun. In fact, this is the wrong angle. There was an attempt to push this angle. I'm just giving you the latest details, ladies and gentlemen. That is not the angle. The angle here was that Allu Arjun's team has refuted media reports. They have refuted media reports that claimed that his father-in-law had tried to meet a Congress leader. They're saying there is no meeting. That meeting never happened and nothing was discussed. There were fake news being spread that Allu Arjun's father-in-law met a Congress leader to intervene in what is happening in the state of Telangana. That was fake news. In fact, that was the shots of the meeting between Allu Arjun's father-in-law and Deepa Das Munshi, Congress leader. But Allu Arjun's father-in-law anyway is a Congress supporter, so there's no rocket science there. Allu Arjun was not discussed. There was absolutely no discussion and no intent to discuss Allu Arjun at all. That was the story. So let's move on to the next bit of breaking news updates.